Solve 14x cube plus 53x square minus 80x plus 25 equal to 0. Here they told us to solve, which means we should get the values of x. For that, here we have to change the x term. What I mean is, see, 14x cube plus 53x square. In place of minus 80x, now I write minus 30x minus 50x plus 25 equal to 0. Did you understand? In place of minus 80x, now I have written minus 30x minus 50x. That's it. Next. What can be taken out common from these three terms is x. So here you get 14x square plus from this x out you get 53x minus from this x out you get 30. In the same way, what can be taken out common from these two terms is minus 25. So here you get 2x and here you get minus 1 equal to 0. Now, in this equation, we have come across quadratic. So, I will factorize the quadratic here. That is 14x square plus 53x minus 30. To factorize this, we should split the middle term plus 53x. So, in place of plus 53x, now I write plus 60x minus 7x minus 30. I am not doing factorization steps. Directly I have split plus 53x to plus 60x minus 7x. Okay. Next. What can be taken out common from these two terms is 2x. So here you get 7x plus from this 2x out you get 30. Now whatever you got here, here also you should get the same thing. From this 7x gone inside, so outside you get minus 1. Even if you multiply and check, still you get the same thing. Now take out 7x plus 30 common. So here you have 2x and here minus 1. Now, in place of this quadratic, we should write this. I repeat, in place of this quadratic, now I will write this. So this equation will change to x times 7x plus 30 2x minus 1. Over here, no change, equal to 0. Now, from this entire equation, what can be taken out common is 2x minus 1. So, 2x minus 1 outside. Over here, we are left with these two. That is x times 7x plus 30, and over here we are left with minus 25 equal to 0. Now 2x minus 1. Here you open up the brackets in this way. You get 7x square plus 30x minus 25 equal to 0. Now we got quadratic. I will factorize the quadratic here. That is 7x square plus 30x minus 25. To factorize this, we should split the middle term plus 30x. So in place of plus 30x, now I write plus 35x minus 5x minus 25. I am not doing factorization steps. Directly I have split plus 30x2 plus 35x minus 5x. Okay. Next, what can be taken out common from these two terms is 7x. So here you get x plus, from this 7x out you get 5. Now whatever you got here, here also you should get the same thing. From this x gone inside, so outside you get minus 5. Even if you multiply and check, still you get the same thing. Now take out x plus 5 common. So here you have 7x and here minus 5. Now in place of this quadratic, we should write this. I repeat, in place of this quadratic, now I will write this. So this equation will change to 2x minus 1, x plus 5, 7x minus 5 equal to 0. More, they told us to solve, which means we should get the values of x, and over here we got product of brackets equal to 0. So to get x values, we should equate each bracket to 0. That is 2x minus 1 equal to 0, x plus 5 equal to 0, 7x minus 5 equal to 0. Now to get x value from here, I should remove minus 1, so you add 1. You get 2x equal to 1. Now I should remove 2, so you divide by 2. You get x equal to 1 by 2. Now here I should remove plus 5, so you subtract 5. You get x equal to minus 5. Now here I should remove minus 5, so you add 5. You get 7x equal to 5. Now I should remove 7, so you divide by 7. You get x equal to 5 by 7. So the x values that we got are 1 by 2, minus 5 and 5 by 7. This is our answer. Am I clear?